Hi, I'm Leah, and I'm a patient liaison at the Florida Center for Hormone and Wellness.
And I'm Amanda Brown, the Director of Patient Services.
I speak to hundreds of people regarding hormone therapy. Every day, people suffering with certain conditions, fatigue, loss of concentration, libido gone from 100 to 0, weight gain, lots of things that people deal with and are suffering from due to hormones declining.
And one reason why we are qualified to even have this conversation with you is that not only do the providers continue to get their education with the latest and best evidence-based hormones, but we also as a staff get to travel with them and to learn so that we can be the supporting for the provider and for you throughout your journey with us.
So what we would like to do, we would like to be that opportunity for you to give us a call. Let us answer your questions that you have regarding the bioidentical hormone replacement therapy. We're extremely passionate about helping people with hormones. We're both hormone patients ourselves, so we absolutely know the benefits that they can bring.
And I just want to let you know, when you do make that call, it is literally just a one-on-one time so that we can learn about you, so that we can be able to talk to what's going on. And to be honest, even if you don't decide to make an appointment with us, that's okay. We just want to make sure that you are educated so that you can make the best decision for yourself.
So we're super excited to talk to you. So schedule a time that suits you, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.
Absolutely.
Bye-bye.
Bye.